morning. Just wanted to make a video real quick to say that I have successfully made 75 YouTube videos, and I consider that a milestone for me because I try to put a lot into them, so I'm not able to make them every single day. I'm not able to just do what I'm doing right now, which is just record and just upload that as a video. This is going to be one of the very few that I just turn on my phone and record. That's vlogging. I don't usually do that. I usually make videos where I edit them and cut scenes and do all that kind of stuff. So this is rare for me, I would say. But I just wanted to give thanks for all the people that are my subscribers and everybody that actually likes, comments, enjoys the content that I make. I enjoy doing content on photography lessons and guitar lessons and just trying to teach people things. It's just something I enjoy doing. So I want to thank everybody that watches my channel, everybody that likes, comments, subscribes. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe right now. I do make the best content that I can and hope that people definitely enjoy it. I'm just driving around going to get some something to eat. It's a beautiful day today, and I'm just got an opportunity to talk to the people and taking advantage of it. I'm on the street. I'm in beautiful Hillsboro, Oregon, home of Intel and home of me, because this is where I live. This is where I lay my head at. And just giving thanks for everything that I have and recognizing that the situation could always be a lot worse. And I'm very blessed to be where I am and to have what I have. And just wanting to say more content will be coming. I've done 75 videos, but this ain't the end. I'm just getting started. So I got some new equipment that I'm going to be reviewing. I got a new video camera, which is a really nice camera. And I got a new lens for my DSLR, which I'm going to be reviewing that. Got some new guitar pedals, got some new stuff. Got my Strat setup done on my Strat, so it's sounding pretty beautiful. So I'm learning some new melodies, some new scales, some new stuff. So I'm just getting started, and just wanted to say hopefully everybody has a blessed day and everybody's enjoying their summer. Take it easy. Peace.